Electric food. Fresh made lobster roll. Hey y'all, Sarita reason 772. 772, we're coming out here to pop up on Custom Creations food truck. Is that? I see a thing back there. Oh, there she is right there. We're gonna go check them out down here at McKesson over in Port St. Lucie.
See all the business here? All these guys are employees.
Yeah, this is the spot to be at. And she didn't have to go through a promoter to get this. I'm assuming not.
Nope.
See, that's what I do. I'll just call them right up.
One of the employees when I was working side door took my card, took my menu, but I never heard from him. She said she was going to give it to the Human Resources Department.
Yeah, call and follow up. That card could have got lost somewhere.
All right, there's the spot.
There you go. I'm going to go check these people out. This is nice. See, this is a prime spot to set up at. Let's see what we got. We're gonna go sneak up on Custom Creations. Now I sent her a email or a message today. I didn't hear back, but she's probably busy. One of the things is the quiet generators down in Florida.
Oh, yeah.
You have to have a quiet generator, right?
Yes. And if you want a good one, Predator from Harbor Freight.
How much?
I don't know, but it's cheaper than the Honda.
So we are going to hopefully get some time with them and see how they like the food truck business and setting up at this spot because this is a really good spot. So we shall return.
Yes, they come time and
What's your name again, hon?
Custom Creations Food.
That's right. Where are you set up today?
We are at McKesson here in Port St. Lucie, our hometown.
That's right.
We come here about once or twice a week serving up lunch to all of our favorite friends here.
There you go. Now, how long have you been in business so far?
A month and a week.
Really? That's awesome. How are you liking it?
I am loving it. I quit my sales job for a spatula, a frying pan, and lots of good food.
I love it. I love it. What do you think is the biggest challenge so far?
Knowing how much food to make.
So gauging how much product to have on your truck?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we've been doing pretty good. I hate to run out of food. I never like to turn someone down.
Exactly, yeah.
Something. So last week we had a steak special. This week we're bringing it back with extra steak.
There you go, exactly.
The biggest thing we learned, there's 12 back for you.
All of the laws when it comes to opening a food truck.
Yeah.
You know, the different types of permits you have to get, the different types of licensing, so.
How long did you guys take doing that before you actually started jumping into it?
It took about 4 months. That was the longest process. From beginning to end, we started in June with the paperwork, and then September 30th was our grand opening, so it was about 4 months to get all that done.
So if I was to start down here, I would have to start come a few months early and get all that stuff squared away.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But then once you get that, you're up and rolling.
Well, I'm thinking about it for next year.
Oh gosh, do it. If you're thinking about it.
Well, I'm in upstate New York. I mean, in a couple weeks, we're going to have snow.
Yeah.
I can't sit around for 6 months.
This is our prime season.
That's what I'm thinking about, doing some time, then coming down here for like December, January, February. I think it'd be perfect.
All the snowbirds come here, so there's all the customers.
And I've met nothing but good people over here. You know what I mean?
Everybody
been
that's
very
in
nice.
the food truck business down here, they're so nice. They're so helpful. They answered all my questions when I was starting out.
10, 11, 12 back.
Yeah, I
for
feel
you.
really
Thank you
comfortable.
so
I'm
much.
actually staying a second night here.
Aw.
I was gonna go to Tampa today, and I'm like, you know what? Stay another night here. Awesome. Well, thank you so much.
Hey, my pleasure. Thank you.
And I'll definitely come back.
Yeah, whatever cost. Yeah, whatever cost. The forces that we cannot call. Oh, oh, girl. Whatever cost. Yeah, whatever cost. Yeah, whatever cost. No forces that we cannot calm or conquer.
The one and only Chef Rick Monk here. Wait, I have to do this.
This is completely out of season. It's supposed to have fresh figs.
Honda 11,000. Yeah, that's why I had the lift gate.
Yeah.
So it comes down, it's electric, and I just push it right out, and then it goes down. That's the only way
That's
it's awesome. And then our gas tanks are in here.
Oh, all right. We're out, folks. Peace.